Christina Finn from the Journal.ie. A question for President von der Leyen. The Ireland's Foreign Minister Helen McEntee has said that a European-wide occupied territories bill is very important as the situation in Gaza and the West Bank is not improving. She cited an independent UN report which finds the IDF is intentionally targeting children. This is post-ceasefire. Why are you and the Commission dragging your feet on this issue, and when will we see action on this?
So first of all, perhaps to set the record straight, we are the world's largest provider of assistance to the Palestinian people, the largest. No one does more than us. Since October 23, we have earmarked over 2.7 billion euros in humanitarian aid and budget support. We have organized 85 humanitarian aid bridge flights and delivered more than 5,600 tons of essential supplies. So this, I think, is important to know. No one does more than us. We have the issue and the problem of access. That's point number one. On the West Bank settlers, we also share the analysis that the continued expansion of Israeli settlements in the West Bank is utterly unacceptable, and the violence used to achieve this expansion is abhorrent. This undermines the future of the two-state solution, which in our view is the only viable solution or path to lasting peace, and the situation is clearly deteriorating. So we have already agreed on sanctions against extremist Israeli settlers and Hamas figures, and the Commission will soon present, as you know, an options paper. We have, this should also be mentioned, 10 months ago, proposed to suspend trade preferences under the EU-Israeli Association Agreement. This is 10 months ago. This would have a significant economic impact, but this proposal remains on the table of the Member States to vote with a qualified majority, so the ball is in the court of the Member States. It's 10 months ago that we have done this proposal. And last month we agreed on sanctions against extremist Israeli settlers, and many Member States have also proposed to sanction Minister Ben-Gvir. There, you might also know, so far no consensus has been reached. So you see, there is activity and a lot of activity going on, but in the Council, right now, no move forward with a solution or an agreement on how to proceed.